Identify C in the following series of reactions. So what is the reaction here? An unsaturated aldehyde is treated with sodium borohydrate. We'll get a compound A. A is treated with HCl and zinc chloride. You will get a compound B. B is treated with potassium cyanide followed by hydrolysis. You will get a compound C. They are asking what is C in the following reaction. Now if you take sodium borohydrate is a very strong reducing agent. So it reduces carbon-oxygen bond but not carbon-carbon bond. Sodium borohydrate reduces carbon-oxygen double bond but not carbon-carbon double bond. Unsaturation will not get affected by sodium borohydrate. So this is important point here. So what will I get here? CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. Now it is treated with NaBH4. Sodium borohydrate reduces aldehyde to alcohol. So I will get CH3CH, double bond CH, CH2OH. Aldehyde will get reduced to primary alcohol. But this unsaturation will not get affected. It will not get reduced. Now so this is option A we got. Now option A is treated with, means this is the intermediate product A obtained here. Now it is treated with zinc chloride and concentrated HCl. HCl and zinc chloride. Concentrated HCl and zinc chloride is Lucas reagent. When alcohol is treated with Lucas reagent, OH group will be replaced by Cl. So what will I get here? CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH2Cl. You will get alkyl halide. This alkyl halide is treated with KCN. Means Cl should be replaced by Cn. When alkyl halide is treated with KCN, X will be replaced by Cn and you will get RCN. So here also Cl should be replaced by Cn. So what will I get? CH3CH, double bond CH, CH2Cl. This compound is now treated with, this compound is now hydrolyzed. Cyanides on hydrolysis will give carboxylic acid. So CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH2, COOH. I will get this compound. We will get this compound as the final product. Now let us go back. Alkyl unsaturated aldehyde when treated with sodium borohydrate. First it gives unsaturated alcohol. Unsaturated alcohol when treated with Lucas reagent will give unsaturated alkyl halide, which treated with cyanide followed by hydrolysis will give unsaturated carboxylic acids. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are there in the starting compound. And if you treat with cyanide, one more carbon should be added. So the final product should be a unsaturated carboxylic acid having 5 carbon atoms. So first option is ruled out because it is not an unsaturated compound. Coming to second option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there and it is unsaturated. So fifth option, this option B should be your answer. Coming to option C, it is unsaturated aldehyde. You will not get unsaturated aldehyde because aldehyde will get reduced to alcohol. Alcohol will be converted to cyanide and cyanide will be hydrolyzed to carboxylic acid. So this option is also ruled out. Again this option is also ruled out because this is not unsaturated and this is not a carboxylic acid. So your option B should be your answer.